On 31st May 2022, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had addressed Garib Kalyan Sammelan in Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. This novel public program, marking the completion of 8 years of the government led by the Prime Minister, is being organized across the country at state capitals, district headquarters and Krishi Vigyan Kendras. The Sammelan conceptualizes elected public representatives across the country directly interacting with the public to get feedback about various welfare programs being run by the government. The Prime Minister also released the 11th installment of financial benefits under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi or PM Kisan scheme. This will enable the transfer of an amount of rupees 21,000 crore to more than 10 crore beneficiary farmer families. On this occasion, the Prime Minister also interacted with the beneficiaries of PM Kisan across the country.
और आप काम करते हैं सर, घर मिला है, शौचालय मिला है, नल का पानी मिला है, बिजली बिल मिला है,
इतनी सारी योजनाएं मिल गई आपको।
जी सर।
आप मूल कहाँ से हो?
जी सर।
आप कहाँ के रहने वाले हो?
बिहार के सर, समस्तीपुर जिला के हैं।
In Meghalaya, Union Minister of State for Donor and Cooperation B.L. Verma attended the program, which was held at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Prastun Tinsong, Minister for CNRD Meghalaya Hamletson Dorling, senior officials of the central and state governments and beneficiaries of government schemes from across the state attended the program. While addressing the gathering, B.L. Verma said that the present government believes in ensuring the welfare of every section of society and the development of every area of the country. He said that during the corona pandemic, the national leadership had ensured that no one in the country was deprived of food and other essentials. It was due to the efforts of the Prime Minister that the nation succeeded in developing vaccines and launching the biggest vaccination campaign in the world, he added. He opined that the efforts of the Prime Minister had ensured that the effects of the pandemic were not as severe as in most other developed countries of the world. The minister further stated that the people of this country have been immensely benefited from various welfare schemes and developmental programs launched by the government during the last 8 years.
North East Development मंत्रालय बनने के बाद 2014 से जिस तरह से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के नेतृत्व में इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट के स्टेट का विकास हुआ है और विशेष रूप से आज जब मैं मेघालय के शिलोंग के स्मॉल में, और वो मेघालय बहुत ही सुंदर, जिसकी नीली पहाड़ियां और झरनों से सुसज्जित, जिसको कहा जाता है, आज हम कह सकते हैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट डेवलपमेंट मंत्रालय के माध्यम से, जहां पर 2014 से पहले विकास नाम की चीज नहीं होती थी, आज हम कह सकते हैं, चाहे वो रेल कनेक्टिविटी हो, चाहे रोड कनेक्टिविटी हो, चाहे एयर कनेक्टिविटी हो और चाहे डिजिटल कनेक्टिविटी हो,